Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Story Class. I'm so happy you're here today. My name is David, and I'm your host.
And I'm Sarah, your co-host. It's great to have you all with us.
If you've ever asked yourself, how can I think in English? Or, why do I always translate in my head before speaking? Then today's episode is for you.
Yes, many English learners have this problem. They think in their own language first and then try to translate into English.
And that slows down speaking. It makes conversations harder.
But don't worry. Today, we'll show you how to train your brain to think in English so you can speak faster, feel confident, and enjoy learning.
Let's get started. Sarah, why do you think it's so important for learners to think in English?
That's a great question. When you think in your native language first, your brain works twice. First, it makes the sentence in your language, then it tries to translate it into English.
Exactly. And sometimes the translation is not right. The meaning can change.
For example, in some languages, people say, I have cold, when they mean, I am cold. But in English, I have cold sounds like you're sick.
Right. So thinking in English helps you say what you mean, the way English speakers do.
It also helps you speak faster. No more long pauses to translate.
And when you think in English, your listening improves too. You understand conversations, movies, songs. Everything becomes clearer.
Plus, your pronunciation gets better. You hear English sounds in your mind, and that helps you say words correctly.
So thinking in English helps with speaking, listening, confidence, and pronunciation.
Yes. Now, let's talk about what stops people from thinking in English.
Mistake number 1. Translating everything in your head.
Yes. If you do that, your brain never gets used to English. It's like always using training wheels on a bike.
Mistake 2. Focusing too much on grammar when you think.
Grammar is important, but if you stop to check every little rule, you won't speak naturally.
That's right. Even native speakers make grammar mistakes sometimes.
Mistake 3. Fear of making mistakes.
If you're too afraid, you won't practice. And practice is how you get better.
And mistake 4. Not using English enough in your daily life.
If you only use English in class, your brain will keep thinking in your native language.
All right. Now the good part. How can you train your brain to think in English?
We have simple steps. You can start these today.
Step 1. Name things in English.
Look around. Say the names of things in English. Table, chair, phone, door.
And add simple sentences. This is my phone. I am sitting on the chair.
Step 2. Talk to yourself in English.
It feels strange at first, but no one is listening. You can say, I'm brushing my teeth. I'm cooking rice.
Step 3. Use an English-to-English dictionary.
If you don't know a word, look it up in English. Don't translate.
For example, happy means feeling good, not sad. Your brain connects ideas in English.
Step 4. Think simple sentences first.
Start with easy thoughts. I need water. I feel tired. Later, your sentences will get longer.
Step 5. Have an inner English voice.
Ask yourself, what should I do now? Where are my keys?
Step 6. Surround yourself with English.
Listen to podcasts, watch videos, read easy books.
The more you hear English, the more your brain thinks in English.
So how do we make this a daily habit?
Start your day thinking in English. When you wake up, say, "Today is Tuesday. I have school."
And end your day with English thoughts. Today, I met my friend. We had coffee.
Set a no translation time each day, maybe 30 minutes.
Only think in English. No native language allowed during that time.
Talk out loud to yourself. "I'm washing dishes. The sun is bright."
And use English during small activities, cooking, walking, cleaning.
And write a simple English journal.
Right. Today, I studied English. I felt happy.
It's not always easy. What if learners feel stuck?
Good point. First, don't give up. Start small, just words or short phrases.
If you don't know a word, describe it in English.
A cold box for food. If you forget, fridge.
And remember, progress is slow, but it happens.
Write down what you can say now. Check again in a month. You'll see improvement.
The key is practice and patience.
So, my friend, this can be your story too. Are you feeling frustrated about learning English?
Do you feel like people laugh at your English? Have you been trying, but it's not working?
Don't give up. Every English speaker, even native ones, made mistakes when learning to talk.
With daily practice, your brain will learn to think in English. And one day, you'll realize, I'm doing it.
Now it's your turn. Let's do a quick quiz to help you remember what we learned today. Remember, no pressure. Take your time. Write down your scores in the comment section. Question 1. What is one big reason to think in English? A. To speak faster. B. To use a translator. C. To forget grammar. The answer is A. To speak faster. Question 2. What is one mistake learners often make? A. Talking to themselves. B. Translating everything in their head. C. Naming things in English. The answer is B. Translating everything in their head. Question 3. How can you surround yourself with English? A. Watch English videos. B. Stop listening to English. C. Always translate. The answer is A. Watch English videos. Question 4. Fill in the gaps. Thinking in English helps improve your blank. The answer is confidence. Question 5. A good daily habit is to keep in English blank. The answer is a journal. Question 6. Open question. What is one thing you will do today to start thinking in English? Tell us in the comments.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
We hope you learned something helpful.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends.
And keep practicing. You can do this. See you in the next English Story Class episode.
Bye for now, and happy learning!